In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin team member to Clickfunnels. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invite someone to your account and give them the right level of access without oversharing control or creating security issues. First, let's get into your team settings. From your main Clickfunnels dashboard, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your workspace name. This is the label that represents the main account or brand you're working in. When you click it, you'll see a list of teams or workspaces associated with your account. Hover over the team you want to manage, then click on Team Settings. This is where you control who has access and what they're allowed to do. Once you're in Team Settings, you'll see a section for team members. Go ahead and click on that. On the right-hand side of the page, look for the button that says Invite a new team member. Click that to open the invitation form. Here, you'll enter the basic information for the person you're adding: their email address, first name, and last name. Make sure you type their email carefully because this is where their invitation will be sent, and any typo will prevent them from receiving it. Next, you'll decide what kind of admin access they should have. You have two main options, and it's important to choose the one that fits their responsibilities. The first option is to make them a workspace administrator. Under the section labeled Set Workspace Privileges, choose the specific workspace or workspaces you want them to be able to access. Then assign them the role of Workspace Administrator. This gives them full control, but only inside the workspace or workspaces you've selected. This is a good choice for someone who needs high-level control over a particular project or brand without having access to your entire account. The second option is to make them a team administrator, which is essentially a full account admin. Under Set Team Privileges, select Team Administrator. This gives them full permission to manage other team members and overall account settings. They'll be able to assign and edit roles, manage billing details, upgrade or downgrade subscriptions, invite or remove other team members, and access all workspaces across the account. Only use this level for people you fully trust with your whole ClickFunnels setup. Once you've chosen the right privileges, click Create Invitation. ClickFunnels will send an email to the address you entered. Your new team member just needs to open that email, accept the invitation, and they'll be able to log in and start collaborating with the permissions you've assigned.